want to introduce us to your little one?
Yes, this is my baby. I'm expecting a little girl. We're going to name her Madeline, or Maddie for sure.
Awesome. Beautiful. So even if there's something you can't do, you can just revise it to something else and keep training.
Exactly.
Perfect. Okay, well let's see what you can do. A little bit of Muay Thai.
Okay. So this is my favorite part of the day. I love coming to Pacific Top Team. The girls here are my friends, and it really energizes me and makes me feel supported and good. Like I just go into the rest of my day feeling pumped because I came here. So